Hello YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here. Today we're going to talk about how to properly clean your rubber floor mats. Now, we went up to the river for 4th of July and you see we brought back lots of nastiness in my truck. And basically I want to get this clean and back to the way it normally looks. However, if you do this wrong, you can stain or bleach out your mats and make them look really bad. So I'm going to show you a little trick to getting these clean and shiny and not hurting them. I like to take it out of the vehicle and then shake off all the dirt outside rather than letting it fall back into the carpet. First, I'm just going to rinse it down. That'll get most of the dirt off of it, obviously. So you see, it's, you know, for most people that would be probably cleaner than their car mats ever are. And here's the trick. So I'm going to clean it with the cleaner, but the trick is not to let the cleaner sit on there too long because it can stain it or bleach it. Wipe it down with a car wash brush. And obviously this process works for Chevy, Ford, and Dodge mats. So the main thing is to get all that cleaner off so that it doesn't sit on there long enough to cause any bleach spots. Now normally if I wasn't filming a video, I'd go ahead and grab the other three and just let this kind of drip dry for a while, but as I'm shooting a video, I'm going to go ahead and dry this off and then treat it with the 303. And then we just want to give it a light spritz with the 303. The 303 isn't as slick as a lot of the protectants, but it still can make it a little slippery. So you get the general idea. I'm going to have to get in here all these grooves and basically do that with the edge of the towel. Or you can use a Q-tip or something if you want to get in all these ridges. Usually the edge of the towel is enough. And I also got to pull it down and get behind there. So that's basically what it's going to look like. I'm going to buff it up just a little bit more once I get it back in the car. And then of course I got 3 more mats to do now. Anyway, hope this video was helpful. Always appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.